Historic figures everyone should know. By history as biography. Anton Van Leeuwenhoek was a Dutch microscopist and scientist who is considered to be one of the fathers of microbiology. He was born on October 24, 1632 in Delft, Netherlands, and was the son of a basket maker. Despite having no formal education beyond elementary school, Van Leeuwenhoek developed a passion for science and became an expert in the construction and use of microscopes. Van Leeuwenhoek began his career as a draper, but eventually became a government official in Delft. In his spare time, he pursued his interest in microscopy, constructing his own microscopes using a single lens. These microscopes were incredibly powerful, with some magnifying objects up to 500 times their actual size. Using these microscopes, Van Leeuwenhoek made some of the most important discoveries in the field of microbiology. In 1674, he discovered bacteria and protozoa, which he called animalcules, in a sample of pond water. This was the first time these microorganisms had ever been observed, and Van Leeuwenhoek's discovery was groundbreaking in the field of microbiology. In addition to his work with microorganisms, Van Leeuwenhoek also made important contributions to the fields of botany and anatomy. He was the first to observe and describe the structure of plant cells, and he also made detailed observations of the human circulatory system and the structure of the eye. Van Leeuwenhoek was a prolific scientist and wrote many letters describing his observations and experiments to the Royal Society in London. He was eventually elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society in 1680, and his work was widely recognized and respected by other scientists. Despite his scientific accomplishments, Van Leeuwenhoek was not always well received by the scientific community. Some of his contemporaries were skeptical of his findings and accused him of fraud, although these accusations were later proven to be unfounded. Van Leeuwenhoek died on August 26, 1723, at the age of 90. Despite his untraditional background and lack of formal education, he made significant contributions to the fields of microscopy and microbiology and is considered one of the most important scientists in history. His work laid the foundation for the study of microorganisms and paved the way for future discoveries in the field. Today, Van Leeuwenhoek is remembered as a pioneer of microbiology, and his contributions to science continue to be recognized and celebrated.